Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alex, and if you want to get this look of let's say, rise and shine.
Rise and shine.
Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alex, if you don't know me. But today I'm just feeling like, let's wing it. Let's just do something fun. Let's just play and have a good time. Who knows what makeup look I'm gonna do? Well, I guess you know, because you already saw it. But yeah, let's jump in. Okay, so let's start with some powder. I already moisturized my face. So the powder I'm using is the BECCA. I'm just lightly adding some all over my face. Then I'm gonna get some setting spray. I'm using the NYX one. I'm gonna let that dry. Primer. No pore problem. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in with some concealer for my eyes. I don't really use concealer, I just use like a foundation. Dermacol was too light that I ordered, so we just use it as a concealer. And that's okay, honey. Like, you use what you got. Ain't no shame in the makeup game. Alrighty, so now that we have the base, let's get started. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe Artistry palette. So the brush I'm actually using to do this with is going to be the Luxie brush from BoxyCharm, and it's 250 large eye blending brush. Thank you, BoxyCharm. Now that I've blended kind of a little bit above my crease, I'm gonna take all the excess powder off of the brush and kind of blend it more up. So that way it kind of fades out more. And it's not like a harsh line. And then I'm gonna go back in with some more yellow and just pack the bottom again to just really make it pop. And then I'm gonna go in with another Luxie brush, Luxie 111 flat angle brush. And I'm gonna pick up white. I'm gonna bring that into my corner. And then with whatever brush you use for your lower lash line, I'm gonna go in and put more yellow. Now we're gonna start on the brows. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe chocolate mousse color. When I'm doing my brows, I like to just outline them. My brows are so thick already. So if you do have thick brows, maybe this will help you. But I literally would fill in my brows like all the way, even though I didn't need to, and they would just come out so dark. So now all I do is kind of just fill in the places that need it and just outline it. And then I just go in from underneath and brush up so I can follow my hairline and kind of go by that, because some people will do it way too thick. So we just want to keep, you know, our natural size and just follow. And then I'll just kind of blend them in. And then you have to have your brow gel. Like, if you have long hairs like me on your brows, this Morphe brow gel, I've had it for a while and it's still awesome. Like, it works absolutely great. My brows, they don't need a lot of work. They're just so thick already. And we'll move on to the face. Who knows what I'm doing? Who knows? For my foundation, I originally purchased the Giza from Juvias place, but it was too light, so I'm mixing it in with my matte poreless Fit Me foundation. This is shade 322. So I'll just mix those up and slap it on. Slap. So for Beauty Blender, I'm going to be using the Real Techniques. And it even comes with a little case for it. It's so cute. We are gonna moisten her up a little bit. Oh, that went the wrong way. And we're gonna dip her in. We're going to. Oh, can we just get into that? Like, can we just get into it? I just love the feeling of putting foundation on. It really, like, these mix together really well. Like, these two foundations, surprisingly. And because the Juvias place is a pretty fast, like, drying foundation, so like you gotta work really fast with it. So putting it with like the Fit Me kind of keeps it wet a little longer, so it kind of helps. And of course, you have to get your neck area, make sure everything blends. A lot of people do not blend their necks. Please blend your neck for the greater good, people, okay? Blend your neck, please. I mean, can we get into these foundations together? Like, okay. Now we are gonna get into some concealer, which of course I'm gonna use my Dermacol. She works for me. Like, what do you want me to? What do you want me to do? And a little with this goes a long way. But first, ooh, almost forgot. This e.l.f. color correcting stick, love it. Everything. I do want to get the Nikita Dragon color correcting stick for sure. And I'm just gonna use it for my under eyes for today. Usually I would like use it all around this area, forehead, you know, wherever it's needed. We're gonna pop that concealer right on top there. With concealer, I like to line up my makeup. I'll just do like a line, and then it makes it look clean. Or you could use tape, whatever you feel like. That's your business. I like to put concealer on my forehead as well. Put concealer in that like little triangle area right here. On my chin. And on the brow of my nose. I'll take what I blended my foundation out with and I'll kind of just go over it so it kind of blends in with the rest of the face. Still highlighted, but it's clean. And I'll go like on the sides of here. This really helps if you don't know how to contour, just putting a little bit of concealer in the middle and kind of taking your foundation and patting it upwards, but not like on top of it, to give you a thinner effect on the nose. Cute. Oh, whatever. I literally love this powder. It works great for me. Maybelline Translucent. $5. Get her. We're gonna put her under the eyes. Let that sit so she bakes. Then I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Pro Glow palette. Not really a palette, more like a bronzing. I've used it a lot. Sorry guys, it's disgusting.
Oh, gross.
But I love this thing. Blush, highlighter, and bronzer all in one. I like to go in with, you know, like, I got this from BoxyCharm, Olimar, who knows? but it's like a little angled poofy brush. I like to take her, come right above the ear, and bring her back. Right above the ear. I don't like to go past here, to be honest, because then your face looks too long, so I just like to keep her right here. Back. And she's looking so good already. Look at that. Just go in as many times as you want to, like make it as dark as you want. Not too dark. But you know, like you've been out in the sun for a couple hours, you just gotta have a nice little glowy ass tan. We're gonna contour that jawline. And my jawline, don't even play with me. She is sharp. I'm gonna put a little blush, just because I'm feeling like blush today. And with the same Tarte, you know, Pro Glow. Just get whatever brush and do some blush. I just like to pat her on, because Lord knows when you have too much blush, honey. Just go back in with that contour brush and blend it. Then we are gonna cut her. Yes. Cut her. We're gonna leave that on for a little bit. A little bit. A little bit. I'm gonna go in with this little Alamar brush. It doesn't say which one it is, but we are gonna wipe away that translucent powder we put on earlier. Then we're gonna do some highlight. We're gonna grab the finish spray and your blender. You're gonna spray it. I'm gonna go in with this MAC glue. And I'm gonna pick the lightest one. She just looks so beautiful. Then I'm gonna go in with some lashes. Salon Pro 630 fully stacked. Extra volume, baby. We want the volume. Alright. We're just gonna take her off, measure her, cut the tan, and slap her on. Guys, always cut from the end. Okay, baby. Can't cut from the inside, because I ain't gonna be looking funky. It's gonna mess up your shape. I use tweezers to put my lashes on, just because it's easier for me. My fingers and my nails won't let me. And I'm gonna use the Duo stick-on glue. And we're gonna lather her it. Well, not really lather, you know, just gonna wait like 30 seconds and put her as close to our lash line as possible. Oh, she's cute already. She cute. All right, lashes are on, baby. Thank you. And now we gotta take off this powder here. She gotta go. She's been sitting for long enough. We're gonna kind of like rub it up so that it's not a harsh powder line. A lot of people leave that. I don't like it. If you like it, do it. But I kind of like rub up so that powder line doesn't stay there and it just blends flawlessly. And that looks so much better. Like, look at that. Okay. All right, so just any white eyeliner that you have, boom, 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 put it right under your waterline, or right on your waterline. Right on your waterline. I love doing this. It gives your eye a pop. It makes you look more awake. Above, whatever. So, lip time. What are you thinking? I think with this yellow and this black, we gotta go with the nude. We're gonna do a little Anastasia duo. We're gonna do Pure Hollywood and Ashton. First, we will go in with Ashton. And we are gonna just line her up. This is such a pretty color. Like, so pretty. Okay. Alright, so now that we got her lined up or whatever, I'm gonna take this little, what is she? Moda Pro. I just take a brush and I kind of like hit the tip of this, right? And I kind of just pat it on the lips. So you get that like lighter effect on the inside. And so it's not so built up on the lips. So what I want to do is go in with some more highlight for the tip of my nose. You know, a little bit up. Give her a little light. And maybe the top of my lip. Yep, that's all she needs. And guys, this is the finished makeup look. So if you like this look and you want to see more in the future, go ahead and subscribe below and hit that bell button so you know every time I upload and you never miss a post. Alright beauties, take care.